You're a real smart guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the law is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't.
You can try
And you're a fucking police officer.
You can try and clickbait as much as you want. Okay, if you step into the bank, you'll be arrested.
What happens when your rights make someone uncomfortable? Do they vanish? Do they shrink to the size of someone else's feelings? Or do they stand firm, protected by law, even when inconvenient? Because that's what this video shows. A citizen exercising a clear constitutional right, and two officers trying to suppress it, not with laws, but with intimidation, misstatements, and veiled threats. If you believe your rights don't depend on someone else's comfort, hit that like button. Subscribe to support real accountability, and share this video so others understand just how fragile these rights become when left unchallenged.
You guys do service from the sidewalk?
No, I'm just wondering what you're videotaping.
Oh, just the bank.
For what reason?
I don't have to give you a reason.
Okay. Thank you.
How are you?
I didn't call you.
No, I know that. They called us.
Okay.
They're concerned because you're videotaping people inside the bank.
Okay.
Is there a reason you're doing that?
Do I have to have a reason?
Say that again?
Do I have to have a reason?
Nope.
All right. Name and badge number?
Officer Birch, 508.
He's scaring our customers.
Well, yeah, what he's doing is a little strange. No doubt
Yes,
about
in a bank.
it. Yeah. I mean,
He's scaring our customers. She was afraid to come out.
I haven't said a
Thank
word.
you.
I
Thank
gotcha.
you.
That was quick.
What's that?
You guys came here in record time.
You keeping record?
Oh shit, look at that.
What's up? Yeah, we're all good.
The irony is banks film customers constantly, dozens of cameras outside and in. But when a citizen records from public space, he's the threat.
Can you ask them why they're recording me? They're scaring me right there. See that?
What? Their cameras?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, every bank has cameras.
So
Every bank in America has cameras.
I didn't call the cops on them.
No, but you elected to come here.
Yeah, but this is public.
Right, but you came here, right, knowing that there's surveillance cameras. So they're concerned because you're videotaping people who do not want to be videotaped. You can videotape them out here. You cannot videotape them in there. They have an expectation of privacy.
Like
in
this?
there.
I can't
That's
do
correct.
that?
That's correct. So if people don't want to be videotaped inside a private entity, they have the right to refuse this.
So I can't videotape through the window?
You can't videotape into a private business, no. The same I
Really?
could videotape into your home. That's
Okay.
the same. They have an expectation of privacy in there.
I think you need to read the law, sir.
Telling you why we're here. Why they call.
Okay, so I can't point over here.
You should not be videotaping people.
Okay,
inside
what are you
a
gonna do about it if I do?
If it's catching footage inside, you can't be doing it.
Oh yeah, it's
Correct.
catching footage, definitely.
All right, then maybe you should stand a little further back.
I'll be on the street.
Maybe
Don't
back
get up in
that
the
way.
car.
No, you can't tell me where I stand.
Okay. Well, here's the
Like
thing,
you,
dude.
like, go ahead.
Like, okay, I get it's a public sidewalk. You have a right to be out here.
Okay,
All
they're
right,
recording me
but-
right there.
Okay, you don't got to be
You
here.
seem to be here.
You don't got to be here.
Okay, I
You
could
are
videotape
elected
right
to
into.
be in this
Look at this. I'm gonna zoom right in.
So here's the thing. I
Zooming
get
in.
what you're doing. All right, you're one of these like, First Amendment guys. That's cool and all, but here's the thing. You can't expect to not upset people. If I was in there as a customer doing my financial business,
Okay.
I come out here and some weirdo sticking a camera in my face, I'd be a little concerned.
Is that why you guys have cameras too? So
We
you can
have
upset
these.
people?
Well, we have these for
Okay, well,
documentation
it's upsetting me.
purposes. Well,
They're
well,
upsetting
like I
me
said,
too.
You don't got to be here. You don't got to be here.
But I want to be right here.
Okay, like I said, you're elected.
I'm not
to
moving
be...
anywhere, just so you know.
Okay, that's fine.
And I'm going to be
That's fine.
videotaping into the bank. I'm not walking in.
Okay, well here's the
But
thing.
check this out.
Check it out. I'll check it out. And here's the thing, since you want to be so cool and cooperative,
Mhm.
if I do find out that you violated any laws, I'm going to show you the inside of a prison cell.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's your name, badge number?
Azar 487.
All right.
Okay? Just so we're clear. If I find out you're
What do
violating
you mean
any
if
laws,
you find out?
well, you want me to look up the law, right?
Yeah, go ahead.
That's what I'm going to
Yeah,
go do. Okay? All right? Have fun.
Yeah.
Okay, here's what we got for you.
Did you find out what the law is from the bankers?
Well, here's what we got for you. You're not allowed to go into the business, okay? If you go into the business, you'll be arrested for trespassing.
I already knew that before I came here.
There you go. Now you know.
Do you know what the law is? I could go like this. So did you find out what the fucking law is?
You're a real smart guy, huh?
Yeah.
You know what the law is, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't.
You can try
And you're a fucking
clickbait as
police
much as you
officer.
want. You can try and clickbait as much as you want. Okay, if you step into the bank, you'll be arrested.
All right.
Okay,
I
have a
already
good day.
knew that. I already, don't tell me fucking
Have a
directives,
good
okay?
day. You have a good
All
day.
right. You know what? You
Have
don't
a
know what the
wonderful
law
day.
is, and
Have
you
a
tell me,
good
oh,
day.
if I
Have a
find out, I'm gonna fucking put you in jail.
Go pound sand, buddy.
Yeah,
Have
yeah.
a good day.
That's
All
true.
right, dude. Like and subscribe,
Have a
right?
good day.
Like and
Have a good
subscribe.
day. Hopefully Jesus gives you bond money when you mess up.
Yep. Don't worry, I won't. So he told me I can't record into Windows because he didn't know what the law is.
I told you you couldn't zoom into windows when people have an expectation of privacy, is what I told you.
Well, I just did zoom into Windows and I could all day.
Okay.
He's doing what he can to try and bait people in so he can. His YouTube
They got a
channel can
camera
go up
too,
from 5
pointing at
people
me.
to 10 people.
You guys have cameras, right?
Dude, I mean, listen, man, you can record 24 hours a day. You might go up from 5 subscribers to 10.
All right. I'll show all my 11 subscribers.
Good buddy.
All right. Name and badge number?
Dixon 783.
All right. I like the stripes.
Thank you.
Thanks. You're the cool one.
Did these officers serve and protect, or overreach and intimidate? Drop your thoughts in the comments.